Hi friends, welcome to Jani's Fantasy. Today we are going to see how to install XAMPP on Windows. For that, first open any browser. Here I am using Edge as my browser. Open google.com and then type XAMPP. Hit enter. Then you can see the search results. From the result, select the first one. Once you click on the link, you can see three options. That means XAMPP for Windows, XAMPP for Linux, and XAMPP for macOS. Here we are installing it on Windows system, so go for Windows. It starts downloading, so just wait once it finishes. The file is downloaded and I copied it to my desktop. For installing the XAMPP, right click on the file and click open, or you can double click on the same. Here you can see one warning, just ignore it, that means just click OK. Then you can see the setup window. Click next. All the components we need, select all, then click next. Here we can change the location. Currently I am installing in C. Based upon the system space, you can change the directory. That means you can install D, E, whatever the drive you have, you can install. But I am selecting C. Then click next. Language English, next, next, next. Yeah, it starts installing. So we need to just wait till it finishes. Now the installation is complete. Click on Finish button. Once you click the Finish button, you can see the XAMPP control panel. Now we can look how the XAMPP works. Open your browser. Type localhost and hit enter. Yeah, here you can see the error message. Can't reach the page. This because we installed the XAMPP server but not started the service. Apache service and MySQL we need to start. So open the XAMPP control panel and click on the start button next to Apache and MySQL. Okay, then again go to the same browser. Refresh the page. Yes, now you can see the default window of XAMPP server. Our installation is successful. Now we can check the installation directory. Go to the C drive, because I selected the C drive as the installation drive. Here you can see XAMPP folder. Inside XAMPP folder you can see the setup files and all the web related files, that means our project files, we are storing in the htdocs folder. That's all friends. In this method we are installing the XAMPP server. In the next video we can check how to install WordPress. Thank you.